Hi, hello students. Okay, welcome to chemistry class, online chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter is called biomolecules only. The name itself is giving some idea regarding the biomolecules only. So what is mean biomolecule means certain molecules are essential for to biology to sustain the life, to make the life constant. We need certain molecules are there. Regarding that molecule, their structure, their arrangement of the molecule, how they are helping for the human growth only. Regarding that, we are discussing the chapters called biomolecules only. So in this biomolecules, this chapter is interrelated with some biology and chemistry will come here. This is very easy chapter. We are going to discuss about the biomolecules only. Look at there. Some molecules are very essential for to sustain the life. What is that one means? You can know lipids, proteins, starch, glucose, cellulose. What are the materials are there? These materials are play a very crucial role. Suppose you just imagine one small thing. I will say DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Every human being has some individual DNA is there, no? Some sequence will be there and difference is there, no? This is identity for the human only. So that regarding that one we are discussing chapter is called biomolecules only. So let's have some discussion regarding biomolecules only. What is mean biomolecules? Biomolecules are the molecules of compound needed for life only. To live in the earth, we need certain molecules are there. Suppose I'm just taking the daily food is there. Why I'm taking the food means because of the food is gives energy. Most of these are the macromolecules are polymers only. General biomolecules are polymers and macromolecules are there. No, they are general biomolecules are organic compounds are there. What do you mean by organic compound? Generally we discuss about the compounds which are made up of the carbon and hydrogen only, along with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Remember CHO. Remember, clear? Made up from the linking small subunits called monomers only. Generally here the macromolecules means I will say one small example. If you take the one proteins daily proteins are made up of amino acids. Clear? Amino acid undergo polymerization process, they form a large molecule. The large molecule is called as a polymer only. Here classification of the biomolecules are there. Biomolecules are classified into the proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, DNA, RNA. So DNA, RNA means we already discussed about nucleic acids only. Purine bases, pyrimidine bases, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. We are discussing in detail regarding the biomolecules only. Clear? So let's go for next one is the classification is there, no? What we are discussing classification, general biomolecules we are discussing carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids only. Nucleic acid. Clear is there, no? Once again I am saying classification is carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids only. So here in this one what you discuss here, look at there, carbohydrate is there, no? If you take the banana, if just these items are food items are there, no? They contain different starch will be there here. Here some vitamins are there. Here some, look at there, something else products are there. Regarding this one we are going to discuss right now here. Let's go for the first basic idea about carbohydrates, formerly known as the saccharides. Saccharides. Generally carbohydrates also called as a saccharides only. The major source of the energy from this body only. Generally we are taking carbohydrate, we are taking food only, no? Generally we are taking just the rice only. We are taking rice made up of some saccharide carbohydrates only. Clear? Next, general carbohydrate general formula is equal to CnH2ON only. CnH2ON is there. Main function of the supply of the cell is that what here instant energy is there. Suppose I will say one small example. If you are not taking any food is then if you are diet following that is then if you feel hungry, that time you will get some weakness is there, no? If you works more you will get weakness is there, no? If you take food, whatever you feel somewhat more energy only, no? Energy will gain is there, no? Regard that we are discussing about the some instantaneous energy, nothing but your some suppose when you go for any Olympics something or some people they will take some chemicals are there, some drugs are there to make them more performance is there, so they also give some supply energy. Next one is classification. Look at the very important classification is there, no? Here generally they classify the monosaccharides, single sugars. Generally saccharides means sugars only, sugar molecules, monosaccharides only. What is monosaccharides means that these molecules when you apply any chemical method they never become a simple molecule. This is on least molecule in there. Clear? It is the simplest sugar and the basic subunit of carbohydrate. Basic molecule nothing but glucose only. Glucose. General glucose formula is C6H12O6 only. glucose formula. General glucose formula, you know very well, glucose containing of 6 carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6 is the carbon atoms. How many oxygen atoms, hydrogen atoms are there? 6 oxygen atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there here. Look at these are isomers only. These are isomers. What is isomers means? Look at the same molecular form, different structural arrangement is called isomers only. No, glucose, fructose molecular formula is same only. Glucose is aldose sugar. It is contain aldehyde functional group. Fructose is ketone functional group is there. Okay, no. Look, is containing of, look at the how many members are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 5 member ring one. No? Well, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 member ring is there. Okay, here look at this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 member ring is there. Okay, this one is here. One is a pyranose structure, one is called as furanose structure only. Here is there, regarding this one is here. I look at this one is called as isomers only. Glucose, fructose are isomers only. Aldose sugar, ketone sugar only. Generally, glucose is aldose sugar, very very important. Ketone is the fructose is the ketone sugar only. Look at, I will give small example is there, pyranose structure. Look at this called pyranose structure. When you add any acid, something else is there, the structure will break. So look at the bond will break. They become the open chain structure. Clear. Fructose also. Look at the fructose also here. This is called fructose generally. Look at the 6-member cyclic form is generally referred as a pyranose. Pyranose means 6-member ring is there. Okay, furanose means here the look at the 5-member ring will be there. Look at the 5-member cyclic form called as furanose form only. Okay, generally glucose, look at, just imagine I will say the closure of the ring is then created at the chiral center at C1, resulted in the 2 diastereomers are there. One is the anomers called, look at here, just imagine here, if any 2 sugars are there, sugar molecule, look at, I am just taking here the C1 carbon, the first carbon, just imagine here. Here carbon is position, is which position is located, the base and then they are classified into the anomers only. They are called anomers only. It's called alpha, beta will come. Alpha position and beta position is there. Look at it, just imagine they are given alpha and beta only. We'll discuss later only. Okay, you understand furanose and pyranose structures are there, no? Let's go for next slide is there, no? Look at the common monosaccharides. What are common monosaccharides are there? Glucose is an aldose sugar and also known by the other name is called corn sugar and grape sugar and blood sugar. Clear. Glucose. Fructose are generally the other name also called as a levulose is the sugar from fruits only. Galactose sugar found in the milk and in the glycolipids formed from the hydrolysis of the large carbohydrates only. Clear, no? So glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharide. What do you mean disaccharide? Look at that. Disaccharide. Saccharide means sugar molecule. 2 sugar molecules are attached, then it's called as disaccharides only. We got clear? When now 2 sugar molecules are attached, then it's called disaccharide. Generally here they given the C12 H22O11 sugar molecule only. This is sugar formula. C12 H22O11 only, formed by the condensation reaction only. What is the condensation reaction? When 2 sugar molecules are joined, they lose some water molecule. In this reaction, in which 2 molecules are part of the same molecules are combined. Either 2 molecules, same molecules may be combined, or 2 different molecules also will combine. Clear? Galactose is you take a glucose and fructose combination only, no? Okay, that like that only. Hydrolysis of reaction occur when the bond between the monosaccharides are broken, then which is the with the addition of the either water molecule or some acid. If you add water molecule, 2 molecules are break, they form a single molecule only. Okay, I'll give you some example. You get look at there here. Just give me a disaccharide example is okay, sugar molecule, sucrose. Sucrose is made up of the glucose plus fructose. All of discuss is there. Glucose plus fructose is there, no? Look at here, the big structure is the glucose structure is one. Fructose. When they both are attachment will be there, no? Then it's called as a generally sugar formula will come. Look at lactose is lactose made up of the galactose plus glucose. Galactose, glucose combine, they form a lactone disaccharide. Sucrose is disaccharide, lactose is disaccharide, galactose and glucose, maltose glycosaccharide are the glucose and glucose. Maltose both containing of glucose units only. Look at, they have been classified as the 1,4 glycosidic linkages based on which carbons are added. We'll discuss later. So first for example, I will say the disaccharides are containing of the 2 sugar units are there. Clear? So go for the next question is there. No, next point is there. Look at the polysaccharides are there. What is mean poly? Many sugar units are joined together to form a one type of the compound is called polysaccharide only. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates only. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates only. They are large molecules that are made up of many smallest units that they are joined only. Okay, now many units are joined together to form a polysaccharide only. 3 common polysaccharides are there: starch, glycogen, cellulose. I'm saying very clear. Polysaccharide. Poly means many. Saccharide means sugar. Many sugars are joined together. They form one molecule. It's called polysaccharide. Example is starch, glycogen, cellulose. Do you know very well in our body glucose is stored as glycogen. Plus starch, potato contains starch only. When you go for hydrolysis, you'll get different glucose units are there. Cellulose. These are called polysaccharide. Many sugar units are there. Then look at the starch. Starch is the chief storage of the carbohydrates only. In the plants, general plants is there. Potato, remember. Potato contains general starch. Rice also contains starch only. And most important source of carbohydrate in human nutrition. We are taking some food is there, more starch only we are taking. A starch molecule is a polysaccharide assembled from the simple sugar molecule. More sugar molecules are joined, they form a starch only. Glycogen is a polysaccharide that is similar to starch. Similar to starch, not exactly, because it is also composed of alpha glucose units in different from the starch. Since glycogen shows higher degree of the branches is there. Attachment is different only. Alpha carbon, beta carbon is there. We'll discuss later. Attachment will be different. That's only, both will be different only. Cellulose. Cellulose is the basic component of plants. If you take the plants are made of cellulose, paper is made up of cellulose only. The people cannot digest cellulose. Only animals can be digested only. Because of its animals contain enzyme called cellulase. Clear? That's why we want to eat grass only. But when we eat food rich in fiber, which is cellulose, it speeds the momentum of food through the digestion tract only. Generally, it will be some problem will come, health problem will come. Look at very important students. This is monosaccharide, glucose structure. Glucose structure. If you have any doubt, is then look at the one ring you can write. Benzene ring you can write. In this benzene ring is there one of the carbon atom replaced with oxygen. Clear? And then mention the rest of one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? First and second position you have to mention OH groups are down position only. And next one is come to the 1, 2, 3 position is increases. Again 4 is coming down only. Clear? Look at here, just say CH2OH, you can write any direction, no problem only. Here this is called glucose only. This is called fructose. Glucose, fructose. Look at the glucose here, one OH hydrogen is going on. From here, look at the one OH is going on. So they form one ring. This is called disaccharide. 2 sugar units are there. Fructose and glucose. Okay. Next one is 5. This is called pyranose phase, furanose structure only. 6-member ring, 5-member ring will be there. Clear? Next is polysaccharides. Look at the polysaccharides are many is there. Look at, just imagine here many students are joined together. Polysaccharides are there. Holding the hands like that. Called polysaccharide only. Is starch for structure. Monopolymer, monomer, polymer and cell structure. Look at the monomer only. Look at this one single benzene like structure is the monomer only. Many monomers join the form a polymer only. Many polymers join the form a cell structure only. Cells make muscles, muscles make organ, organ make a cell body only. Sugar and chloroplast only. Starch again. Look at it. Go for next one is then here healthy fat only. Here we are also using some fats are there. No, some people they like chicken more. Okay, eggs also is there. Some peanuts also is there. So we discuss here this regarding some healthy fats only. Lipids are there. No? Generally they have the job of storing energy. General lipids are store more amount of energy for later use only, and also found in hormones and cell membrane component only. act as a chemical messenger, steroid hormone. General lipids are act as a messenger also is there. Some glycerides are increased, means increase what in there? Bad cholesterol increase in our body. Whenever bad cholesterol increase, you will get a heart stroke only. Are made by linking of chain of fatty acids only. Okay, so look at the subunit structure only, molecule cell structure only. Look at small structure, molecule cell only. Look at a discussion of fatty acid, fat molecule. Look at fat, how is there, arranged is there. Clear, look at there, here small molecules joined together form big molecule only. Go for next slide is there, no? You'll get idea. Common lipids are there. What are the common lipids are there? Fatty acids or carboxylic acids. Okay, common lipids are natural fats of the triglycerides. Other discussion is there, no? Steroids are there. Steroids are, you know very well, steroids they will increase, no? Suppose some steroids are used for the hormonal disorderness is there, no? They use some steroids. Some waxes also is there. The common lipids also there. They are common lipids. Fats and oils also called as triglycerides only. Fats and oils also called as a triglycerides only are these most abundant in the lipids only. Generally they contain most amount. Generally consider fats only, no? Fat solid at room temperature, fat solid at room temperature and containing of the saturated fatty acid only. All saturated hydrocarbons containing of the single bond produced the only by animals only. Look at fat is there, no? Just imagine you can say the fats are there, no? If you take an oil, general some oil is a solid state only. Vanaspati ghee is there, no? General oils are liquids at room temperature and chain and containing of the unsaturated fatty acid. General fats are two types is there. One is saturated, one is unsaturated. Saturated contains single bonds is there, unsaturated contain double bonds are there. Clear? Generally this one generally double bond means it becomes liquid state only. Single bond means solid state only. Okay, next steroids are there, composed of the fused ring of the atoms only. Okay, steroids are there. We don't have to discuss much more about steroids only. Cholesterol, it is a sterol because of presence of alcohol and hydroxy functional group in there. Alcohol functional group is there, hydroxy functional group is there. Excessive level of the cholesterol in the blood can lead to the heart attack only. I discussed already, excessive amount of cholesterol leads to the heart attack only. Okay, look at these are regarding the fat. Look at the fish is there here, mutton will be there, some of the peanuts also is there, oil will be there now. High protein, these are high protein diet only. Clear? We are having high diet only, no? Protein diet to increase our muscle strength. Okay, go for next one is then here. Proteins are there. General formally known as the polypeptides on. Proteins also called as a peptide bond. Generally, proteins are made up of the elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Proteins are made up of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Made of many amino acids bonded together to long chain only. Proteins are made up of amino acids only, no? Next one is having structural and mechanical uses also. Proteins in many cellular process only. Function as general some proteins act as enzymes only. Pigments and steroids of hormones only. General amino acids only. Look at some amino acids. Proteins are made up of amino acid only. Amine plus acid. Amine plus acids only. General amino acids are there, no, is containing of the two parts are there. One is amine group function group is there. One is the acid function group is there. Amino acids only. Look at the generally amino acids are there, no? General amino acids are building blocks of proteins only. Insulin, you take insulin is the no simplest protein, the substance injected in diabetes patient only. You know very well most of the people that are facing the problem is sugar only. Why they are feeling sugar means because of the increased excess amount of the sugar in the body only. Okay, next one is amino acids. General structure of amino acids is there. One carbon is there, hydrogen is there. Here some alkyl group is there. Based on the alkyl group, they have been classified into different amino acids are there. Alanine, generally of amino acids are there. Alanine is there, glanine is there. Okay, next one is look at here. One acid functional group is there, one amine functional group is there. Because of acid functional group, amine functional group, they act as a Zwitter ion. Two charges are there. Zwitter ion only. Clear is then we discuss later regarding Zwitter ion. Okay, next one is the monomer polymer cell structure only. Look at the amines, generally alanine will be there. Alanine, the structure of alanine. Look at the alanine containing of the here R is methyl group only. R is methyl group is there. Alanine, alanine, valine, serine, and valine, alanine, they will combine form a one cell structure only. Amino acids are combined form proteins. Proteins combine the form a muscular fibers only. Muscular fibers only. Next one is then proteins are made up of the 20 different amino acids only. General amino acids are classified into two types. One is the essential amino acid. Second one is non-essential amino acid. What is meant by essential amino acid means these amino acids are must required to maintain regular diet. We are taking either by sources. This called essential. The tablets like food items are there. Non-essential amino acids means these amino acids can be prepared our body itself. We no need supply external sources are there. Okay, next one is the first one essential amino acids are there. Valine, okay, valine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, histidine. Clear there no? These are the essential amino acids only. Conditional amino acids are arginine, glutamine, tyrosine, cysteine, glycine, proline, serine. Okay. Next one is the ornithine. Non-essential amino acid. You don't need to prepare by. You don't need to give the body. Alanine, aspargine, aspartate. Aspartate is called non-essential amino acids only. Peptide bond. What is mean peptide bonds? Means you can know very well. I discuss about the amino acid made up of the NH2 group is there, acid group is there. From acid group, one OH group is going on. From amino group, one hydrogen is going on. CONH bond is already discussed about nylon 6 discussion is there no. Amide bond is there. That's amide called dipeptide. What dipeptide tripeptide will cause in dipeptide is the molecule formed by when two amino acids are joined together. Look at here, one OH group is going, one hydrogen is going. Because both are joined, they call as a dipeptide. Polypeptide means whether more than 10 amino acids are joined together form a polypeptide only. Polypeptide structure only. Next, coming to the nucleic acids only.